Friends, welcome to this video. Today I will teach you a great strategy. I have always been against trading in the 1 minute time frame because it has high risk and low profit. But with this strategy, my opinion about trading in 1 minute time frame changed. Also, this method has a high win rate, and I suggest you watch the video until the end. Now I will teach you this strategy completely, so that you can use this wonderful strategy. Let's go to the teaching of this strategy. As you know, moving average is the mother of all indicators. Everyone knows this indicator. It shows us the average candlesticks based on the period we are interested in. For example, it gives us the average of the previous 20 candles. Let's see an example. I will add the moving average to the chart. Through this section, I will add the moving average and set its length to 20. Moving average is the basis of many indicators because of its wonderful formula. This indicator is excellent, but it has a weakness. Its weakness is that, for example, in a bearish market, when a correction is created, the price of moving average breaks upwards and gives us a buy signal. And if we enter the market stops us, and that is why many from the indicators, they signal in the opposite direction of the market, and this is also a weakness for moving average dot. I will give you a solution to eliminate this weakness of the moving average, so that you can get very good trades in the direction of the trend. What is the solution? The solution is to use the indicator that I will introduce to you now. The formula of this indicator is based on Fibonacci and ATR, and by using this formula, it does not allow you to trade against the market, and it makes it filter fake signals that are obtained based on moving averages and good positions. You can open it in the direction of the market. The name of this indicator is black flag. My friend will tell you the rest of the explanation.
When you search for black flag, this indicator will appear. Swing arm ATR. Even if you search for swing arm instead of black flag, it will bring the same indicator. Add this indicator to the chart. An excellent indicator for filtering errors and fake moving average signals. From the indicator settings section, enter the style section and remove all these ticks, except for the third to the last item, which are actually the plot backgrounds. From the input section, we increase the ATR factor value and set it to 6 and click OK. This indicator shows us the upward or downward trend with these thick red or green lines drawn above the candles. For example, if the moving average here gives a sell signal, according to the black flag indicator, which is green and it shows us the upward trend, we refrain from entering the market, and we realize that the trend is upward, and we do not open a position against the direction of the market. Now that we have a wonderful indicator that filters error signals in the direction of the trend, we have another indicator that gives us the signal to enter the transaction in the direction of the trend. This indicator shows us the upward or downward trend with these thick red or green lines drawn above the candles. Friends, before I add the second indicator to the chart, if you are entering our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell next to it, and be sure to like the video, so that more people can benefit from this strategy. Write your opinion in the comments. The name of the second indicator is signal table. We enter the indicator settings. We remove the table tick so that we have a better display and our chart is a bit quieter. This indicator adds two moving averages to the chart, and we enter the trade based on the cross of these two lines. From the settings section of the style section, we change the color of these lines so that this line is displayed better. The signal to enter the transaction is based on this moving average. When the candles break both moving average lines, and each line creates a cross with each other and crosses each other, the entry signal is issued. This indicator provides a good signal in the direction of the trend. But contrary to the trend, it also signals that if we enter, our stop will be hit. But the black flag indicator here solves the weakness of the moving average for us and filters the fake signals. Enter the signal table settings and change the short EMA value to 6. We set long EMA equal to 18. With this change, the delay of the signals will be less and the signal will arrive sooner. Here we see some examples in the upward and downward trend. In the downward trend, we have a cross-moving average that we would have lost if we entered, but this signal is filtered according to the black flag indicator. Here we have an entry signal based on the market trend. We place the stop on valid resistance, and we place the target where the risk to reward is at least 1.5. We trade in 1 minute time, and we should not expect risk to reward 2 or 3. If you use risk to reward 2, the win rate will decrease. My suggestion is a risk to reward of 1.5. Here we see another entry signal with a risk-reward ratio of 1.5. This is a great strategy. Now we are looking at an uptrend. Here both moving averages have crossed the other, and a buy signal has been issued. The black flag indicator also shows an upward trend. Here we enter and place the stop on the previous valid resistance. We also set the target to reward 1.5 based on the risk. Here are fake signals that are filtered by black flag. Here, a signal has been issued in the downward trend. This is another signal. Let me say a final point here. Don't forget capital management. This is the most important secret of this market. Risk a maximum of 2 to 3% of your capital in each transaction. Be sure to set a stop for each transaction. God bless you until the next strategy.